How to fix keeps dropping calls in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on software update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset network settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.